And for Snowy's campers, I've got here the number 9 Oyster Knife from Opinel. This is a compact folding oyster knife with a stainless steel corrosion-resistant blade so you can shuck oysters all day long. Now the knife only weighs about 55 grams, folded up about 11.9 centimeters by just under 3 centimeters by about 2 centimeters, and the blade itself is a 6.5 centimeter blade. So nice short little blade. It's quite thick stainless steel here, so it doesn't twist, the blade doesn't twist, and it still has the same locking mechanism here on the neck. So we spin that around, that blade can no longer close, and it's a nice durable blade, so there's no flex in that at all. Now it's a Padouk timber handle, dark timber handle, and it's got the same shape as all the Opinel blades have, so nice and comfortable grip on that guy. So when you're shucking oysters, you're nice and comfortable to hold that. And the blade is only sharp at the point here. So this is a blunt edge here, and it starts to get, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a taper up to the point here, and the only real sharp point is on this end here. So it's nice and easy to get into the oyster shell to split them open. So if oysters are your thing and you're into gourmet cooking or seafood, you're always camping at the beach and you're able to catch oysters or source oysters while you're camping and you're like them fresh straight out of the shell, then this oyster knife from Opinel is going to be probably one of the best things you could add to your camp kit. Check them out online at snowys.com.au where you find them at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest and greatest information. We'll check out some other cool Opinel knives like these ones down here.